How's it going, YouTube? It's Steve with Reshoevn8r. Today we will be reshoevnating these Purple Lobster SBs. I had the pleasure of wearing them. I couldn't get them dirty enough, so I passed them along to one of the team members and they thrashed them. It looks like they worked in their car on them. I don't know what they did, but doesn't matter. Today we will be cleaning them. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. These are a purple suede. I'm guessing that the material may bleed, so we're going to be careful not to transfer color onto the tongue. But again, until we clean them, we don't know. That's kind of why we're doing this, is to help you guys that own these make sure that you can keep them clean and or just clean them in general. So I'm not going to bore you anymore. Let's go ahead and get to cleaning. First thing I'm going to do, take the adjustable shoe tree, adjust it to size. This is going to allow me to put pressure on the toe box. Next thing I'm going to do, take out these crusty laces. Okay. Finally. All right. Set that damn thing over there. Brush my hands. Now we're going to take Reshoevn8r's advanced cleaning solution. Put some in the bowl, like so. And go ahead and set this shoe to the side. And that's really gonna be it. This is when the magic happens, when we're gonna start cleaning here. Again, these things are dirty. So, first brush that I'm gonna use today, again, I always start with the soft bristle brush. Dunk it in, and let's go to work. Pat this off. I mean, they look pretty damn good. So as you can see, this is where I cleaned one section. I cleaned half of this. I did notice a slight purple tint to the soap. So what I'm gonna do now is, before I hit any more of this section here on the uppers, I'm gonna just clean this first so I don't transfer any of this purple up onto here. And then I'll continue with the rest of the shoe. All right, now I'm gonna hit this sock liner up. I'm making a mess, but we'll hit the sock liner and then I'll move on to the medium bristle brush. I do see some color bleeding there. So, just so you guys can see, I'm pretty sure we're getting some color bleed right on the edge of the tongue. And I believe it's from the interior lining of the tongue. We'll see once it dries. It could just be that the material itself is getting dark because it's wet, but I have a feeling there could be some color bleed, so we'll just watch that, and hopefully, if it does happen, it's not that bad. Just wanted you guys to be aware of that though. I think the first brush is looking good. What I'm gonna do is take the medium bristle brush now, go over them gently. I probably don't even need to because they look pretty clean, but I'm gonna take this medium bristle brush and I'm gonna hit the soles of these shoes too. It's actually a pretty dope shoe. I don't wear a lot of purple, but the shoe itself is good. We got rocks falling out of here. SBs are kind of making a comeback. They were kind of dormant for years, but I think that in the last month or two, people have been rocking them a lot more, so that's dope. These things cleaned up very quickly, very easy. I can tell just by looking at it, the material, there's not gonna be any issues with the material. These things were super easy to clean. What I'm gonna do, just to make completely sure that these things are completely safe, we're gonna go ahead and let these dry again. In the meantime, I'll clean this up, clean the lace up so we can relace it and show you an actual before and after. But Overall, I think that that is a successful clean. They were super easy. Don't be afraid to wear your SB Dunk Lobsters because they're tough. All right, guys, it's a dirty job. Someone's got to do it. Laces are looking much better. Go ahead and just pull out all this excess soap and water. There we go. I'm gonna clean up. We're gonna let these dry. We'll come back when they're dry so we can show you the final results. See you in a few. How's it going, YouTube? It's Steve with Reshoevn8r. We are back with the Purple Lobsters. They look awesome, as you can see. Check them out. Super happy with how they turned out. We used our 4-ounce 3-brush cleaning kit on these things. I'm gonna go over these a little bit. There's a little dark spot right there, so I'm gonna take the soft bristle brush and just kind of go over that suede material, lighten it up a little bit. Again, we'll show you there's a couple scuffs that are still there, very, very slight staining or little marks that obviously we can't expect perfection. We have heard that Reshoevn8r works miracles, but you have to be realistic also. You have to be realistic. It's not gonna make them look perfect if they look like this. All right, guys, you can find any of the products that we use to clean these shoes at Reshoevn8r.com. Head there now, get yourself a cleaning kit, rock clean kicks, that's gonna be it.